Hey everybody, how are you doing? We are doing another Decorate with Me today. I am getting ready to make a floral arrangement for my hutch in my formal dining room. And those colors are going to be more of these purples and greens, where in my family room, you know, is the Mackenzie Child and the pinks. This is more of the pastels, the purples, yellows, things like that. So what I'm going to do, I bought a sign, and for the life of me, I cannot find it. And it said, follow the bunny, he has the chocolate. I can't find it even in a store now. So this is the closest thing I came to, and this was from Michael's. And because I have a lot of my faux chocolate bunnies that I made, and I'm sure that you saw, that follow me, some of those videos. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I want to bring this up so it's, I think that's better. So it's elevated, okay? And I think what I'm going to use, I'm not using foam. I'm just going to lay these in there, if you will. Because they're going to be coming out after Easter anyway. Aren't these pretty? I think these were like $3 something at Walmart, but I think they're really pretty. I love purple. I really do love purple. See, and if I put it down here, it's going to get lost. That's why I have to elevate this. And that way you can see it better. And when I have it on the hutch, of course, I'm not going to be moving it, so it's not going to be all, you know, woo, wobbly. Then I'm just going to put some of this boxwood right back there. And I'll put another one back here. Okay. Then I'll put some of these Easter eggs. Put that there so you can see it better. I'm going to put these in there too. Aren't those cute? Those are from Dollar Tree. Like I said, once I get this up on the hutch, it'll be fine because it's not going to be moving anywhere. Those are so cute. We could make some of those, you guys. Like I said, I'm going to have it on the hutch, and I can reposition it when I get it there. Okay, I'm bringing this sign over to this side because it has more of an anchor here, okay, instead of having it right in the middle. Now, I wouldn't have a problem really at all if I was using foam, because I could just stick everything in that and that would keep it more secure. But I don't have enough foam to fill it, and I don't want to go buy any, and it's not that big of a deal to me, because like I said, once it gets on the hutch, it's going to be here and there. But I do want you to see what the sign says. And when you have a flower bouquet this full in this kind of a basket, it's a lot easier just to lay them in anyway. And what I could do is I could put this one back here. And I can just put these eggs. I think that's so cute. Okay, and we'll put our chocolate egg here, and another one there. Okay, oh, there is my little floral arrangement for my hutch, and you will see that when I do my Easter home tour. So let me bring you down close. Okay, so here we are. I think this turned out so cute, and this will go perfect with how I'm decorating in my formal dining room. Actually, I should have made some jelly beans to put in there. Oh well. There's always next year. Guys, until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon.